Right, welcome back everybody, and we're almost there. We've still got a few crinkles and a few lumps to iron out, and a bit of track to clean. But I think we've basically got where we want to be with this. I think we want to put a few more sidings in, don't we, John?
Yeah.
Because we've got some. We can bring some off to there, couldn't we?
Mhm.
And then maybe put some sidings in this. Maybe put a siding in this area.
Could do. Like a coach area.
Well, just a siding in so we can put maybe off of there or something. Maybe put a set of points in there,
Mm.
maybe, and then bring the off there, and then bring it off so the sidings run up that side.
Yeah.
Or maybe put a point in there because that's a full straight, and then bring a siding down here for a good shed.
Yeah.
Because I'd like to put another station in over there.
Mm. Like
You
a
know what I
long
mean?
station.
Yeah, along there. But whether we'll get one in there or not, I don't know. But anyway, sorry about that. Yeah, so we've basically followed this plan here, but we've made it narrower because obviously our baseboard's not, as we said the other day, it's not 5'9", and until we've uh, got rid of the boat, I'm not going to start ripping the baseboard apart until that's in the summer. So for now we've nicked that plan from the first 10 years book, and we're going to see if we can get some trains to run. So they're not going to run brilliant. The hand of God might have to come in every now and then because we've got some issues over there, and none of the two middle tracks, nothing's fixed. It's still, as the train's moving, the track's moving. You've got a bit of creeping in the track, so it's a bit hit and miss. On the outer line is finished. Well, say finished. Nothing's ever finished, is it? Because we have put droppers on that, feeders onto just to give it a bit more extra oomph. But obviously, because the way we've set up this in here at the moment, we can't do the inner lines because it's just impossible to get to. We might be able to put a feed in here and there, but we won't be able to do every other track which we've done on the outer. But anyway, John, let's try the Blue Pullman. With its two different ends. Bit grubby that, isn't it, mate?
Mm.
That's it. Right, go on in, try the Princess. Right, try your little engine. Try your Ginty. As you can see, we are having issues still, but we'll sort it out. We'll get there in the end. So a lot of it is because the track's still moving. Right, stop the Blue Pullman. Johnny's getting confused with his controllers. So we still got some teething problems, but we'll get there. But at least we've got 4 lines sort of running. Hey, John. Anyway, onwards and upwards. So, thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with a progress report, hopefully. So, bye for now.